Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Pride. Even if your car temperature gauge goes up after engine start up, heater blows cold air only, or it takes so long to blow warm air after it possibly causes thermostat to stuck open, or maybe heater core clogged partially. Before thermostat opening, coolant only circulate engine and heater core, but thermostat stuck open keep coolant circulating to entire engine, also radiator. It takes so long reach the normal temperature, and then the heater does not working properly. Today I'm gonna show how to replace the thermostat and the back flushy heater core radiator cooling system. Let's go. Drain the coolant from your vehicle and right from the bottom of the radiator, and disconnect the air process. Release the rocking tab and disconnect this air processor. And then you guys this PCB bleed holes and an air brake bleed holes as well. And the bottom of the wire to the side. And then we need to disconnect the air cleaner hose 8mm socket or wrench. After remove intake tube, put the coolant cassette under the engine. You guys see that this is a thermostat and thermostat housing cover, and losing the thermostat housing 8mm tube bolt. I usually using the 4-inch 8mm socket and a 2-inch and 5cm adapter, and then I loosen the bottom of the housing cover bolt as well, and then take out the housing cover. It drops the coolant all the down to the transmission to the bottom. So you guys catch the as much as you can because of the environment problem. Once take out bottom of the thermostat housing cover board, put aside the thermostat housing cover, you can see the thermostat and O-rings thermostat housing. It's sometimes stuck, just play out gently your favor, and then now it comes with the O-ring thermostat for assembly. There's not much is stuck open, just slightly. Sometimes immediately it doesn't work here function. I just recommend the housing and flushing, back flushing or heater core system. This one is a good condition thermostat. A right hand side picture is a stuck open thermostat. After inspection, you guys can find this thermostat stuck open, or sometimes inside the springs weak and it does not properly working thermostat. Can change the thermostat. This one is does not properly working thermostat, and a heater core clogged it, so I keep going working on explaining coolant back flushing. I cut it off a thermostat whole assembly, and I using the metal and O-ring, put the back to the thermostat housing and tighten the thermostat cover. Put coolant cleaner chemical into the coolant system, and top of the coolant to plug the coolant drain plug, and then engine running about 5 or 10 minutes. A whole cleaner clean the entire cooling system, even if the coolant goes through the back heater core and front heater core and radiator or engine system, and then it takes 5 or 10 minutes, and sometimes more, and then needed to be running. After engine running at least 10 minutes, we totally drain the whole chemical and extra all the coolant. So I remove the bottom of the air cleaner box, and then take out the coolant, some of the housing cover go down to the bottom of the engine area like this, and then this side radiator upper hose, I disconnected this radiator upper hose, and then I using the sharp and garden hose, and then kind of sharp air of coolant, and I brushed whole of the radiator. So I pressurized the garden hose pressure using the dishwater around 3 or 5 minutes until the clean water comes out bottom of the hose and drain plug. So you guys can see that this drain plug comes out clean water, and then even lower radiator hose comes out clean water, and then keep going until totally flush radiator. I'm using the sharp air and the garden hose and clean as much as the gas tank and other coolant line. Next step is much important. I disconnect two heatercore line. One is that goes in and another comes out from the heatercore. I use the sharp garden hose and a garden hose pressurized, and then keep water get into the heatercore and then turning around inside the heatercore. And then you can see that other hose comes out the dirty and clean the water. So now it's already did over 5 or 3 minutes. Then you can see that clean the water comes out another hose. Back brush means I switch the direction and the same thing procedure and pressurize and then spread water into the bottom hose and it comes out another hose. I using the sharp air or an extra air comes out the whole hose, and then now put the thermostat back on the thermostat housing. It needed to be jiggle valve goes up. This one is jiggle valve and then bleed the air inside the cooling system. It should be goes upside, the top side, and then install the thermostat and O-ring and tighten the 98-inch pound torque. I recommend this procedure for 3.5 liter engine because the V-shaped engine there are still less dirty coolant in the engine inside or cylinder head and a cylinder block. So it has block heater, this one, so it has different type of the wrenches and a no block heater and then the hex 14mm plug, but this one is was installed block heater like this, and I need a special block heater wrenches. And then I drained from the engine block side. You guys can see the last dirty coolant comes out, and then after drain the block side, extra coolant and tighten the block heater plug and then radiator plug, and on top of the coolant with treatment. This comes with a BG kit, and then bleed air in cooling system and top of the coolant, and then check anything else leaking any other cooling system. Once the engine running again 5 minutes and then no leaks and the coolant heater function is okay, please check the coolant strength. Thank you for watching.